Welcome to our video on starting and running a successful children's technology workshop business. We'll explore essential resources, including books, podcasts, YouTube videos, AI tools, and courses to help you navigate this exciting and growing field. Let's begin with some must-read books. Teaching Kids to Code by Bryson Payne offers a comprehensive guide to engaging kids in coding. Coding Projects in Python for Kids by DK provides fun and interactive coding projects. Next, we have The Magic of Computational Thinking by Shuchi Grover, which focuses on problem solving and algorithms. Robotics for Kids by DK introduces kids to building and programming robots through various projects and activities. Digital Art for Kids by DK is another excellent resource, offering a guide to digital art, animation, and game design. These books provide a solid foundation for teaching kids various technology skills in an engaging way. Podcasts are another valuable resource. Teaching Kids to Code covers strategies for engaging kids in coding. Kids and Technology explores various tech topics, including coding, robotics, and digital arts, making it a great listen. The Coding Coach offers insights into best practices for teaching coding. The Tech Ed Show and the Kids Tech Show cover broader technology education topics, providing a wealth of information for educators and parents alike. YouTube videos can also be incredibly helpful. Code.org, Teaching Kids to Code series offers practical tips and lesson plans. Common Sense, Education's Kids and Technology series covers a wide range of tech-related topics. For hands-on learning, AI tools like Code.org, Scratch, and MakeBlock offer interactive platforms for teaching coding and robotics. Courses from the Technology Workshop Company provide practical strategies for starting and marketing your workshop business.